Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Nigerian buns, so let's get right into it. For ingredients, I need all-purpose flour, baking powder, cinnamon, sugar and water. So I'll start by adding my flour into a clean bowl, and I will then add my 1 tablespoon of baking powder into the flour and a half teaspoon of cinnamon to add an extra flavor. Then I'll add my sugar to it, and then I will mix all the dried ingredients together to ensure that they are properly mixed before I will then add a little bit of water to it, which is what I'm doing right now. After I do that, I will then mix this. I will then mix the whole content to create this sort of thick like puff kind of batter. So now let's get right into frying. Guys, you notice I used oil. I rubbed oil on my hand since I'm going to try and make it work with my hand. So now I am starting to fry, guys. I'm starting to fry. So I'm just using my hand, using the puff method to sort of create my buns. Though I'm not quite used to that method, but I'm going to try. So let's get right into it and let's see the end result. Guys, I'm liking the way my buns looks right now. It's kind of looking very interesting. So I can't wait to snack on it. So don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Share it with your friends, with your family, and also tag me when you make yours as well, so I can see how you make your own buns. So see you in my next one. Bye.